Hello and welcome to ARKaMAN's tutorial on how to create sounds for Halo Custom Edition. First thing you're going to need to do is you need to install these DLLs in your Halo Custom Edition root directory. Just copy them over. Then you need to install the Xbox codec driver by right-clicking on the INF and just clicking install, and it may come up with a little error that say driver's not recognized by Windows, like it hasn't been tested. Just say continue. It'll work. Okay. First you need to use an audio program to get the audio files ready. I'm using ACID Music 3. You might be using Goldwave, but I prefer ACID, and it's not that much money, $30. Okay, so today I'm going to be editing the shotgun's sounds, and the first thing to start out with is the fire. So I'm just going to create the fire sound. So there that is. And I'm going to render it. Now, your program has to be able to customize the sound output. If it doesn't do that, then you won't be able to get the sound to work. If it does, it should look something like this, with these kind of words. Somewhere in the program, you have to put the sample rate down to 2,250, and you can leave the rest. It can be stereo and it can be 16, but you just have to put the sample rate down. A drawback of Halo, of course. And I'm just going to save this on the desktop, and I'm going to call this Shotgun Fire. And you can save it as a wave. So save that. Now put down your program, and here we have the wave. Okay, open up your Halo Custom Edition root directory and go to Data, and you might have to create this sound, music, music. Now, disregard that file. Put Shotgun Fire in there. Right click, rename, copy the name, new folder, paste, and delete the ending. Your computer might not show that. If it does, you have to delete it. Now put Shotgun Fire in the Shotgun Fire folder. This is a necessary thing for tooling. Okay, now go ahead and open Tool++, Sounds, the 3 dots, click on Halo Custom Edition, Data, Sound, Music, Music, and then you can click on Shotgun Fire or just leave it at Music. But since Shotgun Fire is the only one, I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go to Platform and put it to OGG. And you can leave that. It'll work okay. So now, run Tool. And it should have this. If it has lots of errors, then you didn't install the codecs right. But if it says compressing and done, then that means it worked. So now I can just put that down. Go into Corman's version 2 hacked Gorilla. Okay, now just open tag, go to weapons, shotgun, go down the shotgun weapon. Since we edited the firing effect and the projectile in that area, go down to firing effects, and here you should either see, depending on what gun you're editing, you should see this firing effect, and either it'll say sound. In that case, you're going to want to change the sound right here. But if it says effect, open the effect up, and then you should go down to parts, and you should see fire or something. And here we have the sound. This is where we can change the sound. Quick, go ahead and click on the 3 dots and go up to where it was saved. It was saved in tags, sound, music, music, and then you should find it, shotgun fire. So copy that, put it in the weapons, shotgun, and paste it, just to keep it all in the family. So open it up and open it up, and now this is the sound file that you created. So go up to class and weapon fire and go down, and you should click play, and if you don't hear a noise, something went wrong. If you do, you did right. And mine plays the sound. So now I know that it'll work. So close that, and yes, and yes. Okay. Now go back up to tool and go ahead and build a cache file. This way we can test it. Go to levels, test, tutorial, and yeah. Well, I'm gonna do this one will work good. It'll take a fairly long time to build this one. Okay, and if you get like a little error about your sound, it just means that what happened is it was bigger. You get errors when sound files are bigger than the originals, and I've edited, the assault rifle fire, and it must be a bigger file than the original. So you can close that, and go ahead and you can close, whatever. I'm just going to close this because the less running better. Now I'm going to go ahead and launch Halo E. It'll take a while, but I could use a different program, but I want it to be able to either sound. And I have the free version of tutorial, of GameCam, so you can hear sounds. Okay, you might have a hard time.
Slayer.
Captured by hostiles. Pull out, please.
So there you should have heard the sound of the shotgun has been changed. Thank you for listening. This has been an ARKaMAN tutorial. I really hope this helps you on making sounds of your own. You can find me at the address that came up here, and I really hope this helps. If you have any problems, feel free to email me.